Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. So
This is Grace, and this was what she wore on Mother's Day last Sunday. Isn't she cute?
if you are a mama and you missed my post, happy Mother's Day. I'm going to wake them both up, Xone and Grace, so that I can take her with me to work. Xone has test prep, so what she's doing, she's helping to get Grace ready. She did her hair, give her a wash down, and she changed her clothes. So she's all set and all ready to go. I'm taking her with me for the day. We're all super excited. I wanted to get my students' reaction, but this video is gonna be so long, so I have to make it in 2 parts. So I got flowers for Mother's Day, and I'm thinking the price was ridiculous. So I think I'm gonna let people know, if you wanna get me flowers, don't get me flowers on Mother's Day, because 2 days after Mother's Day, you can get one, buy one, get one. So I think I can settle for that. So we're putting them in water. They sat there overnight because I decided not to lift a finger yesterday. And I did not, well, I did lift a finger because I ate. I lift a finger to eat my food. So we're putting these in the vase. So beautiful. And Grace is helping me. And after that, I'm gonna pack my lunch box, and I'm also gonna pack the little bag that I'm gonna take with Grace.
I believe in yesterday. I believe in the plans we made, when we could feel the sun shining its warmth on our face. I believe in the hopes we had. I believe in dreams fragile as glass. I dared to believe it when we felt the wind at our backs. But if it all goes wrong, if it all goes wrong, I will walk through the whirlwind beside you. Feel the rain soak our clothes to the bone. I'll burn in the desert and shiver with you in the cold. I wanna feel every tear that you cry, falling hard on my chest when you're down. Find hope in the wasteland and love in the battleground. I believe in the path we chose. I believe in us walking that road. Whatever the weather, we'll take it together, I know.
So I was gonna put this on, but because she's going to be on me, I decided to not wear any fragrance today, because we know how fragrance is when it comes on to babies. So I will not be wearing, this is so good, I will not be wearing this today, just because.
I'll burn in the desert, shiver with you in the cold.
The car seat is already in the car, and I'm gonna put her in the car seat so that we can head on down the street.
When you're down, find hope in the wasteland and love in the battleground. We'll rise and we'll fall. I won't sugarcoat it when we hit the wall.
Alright, so we made it to work, and my spot is always going to be there because I park all the way to the end. I'm going to take her out, and we're going to go inside. We have to, once I get in, I have to make copies. So I'm getting her out because I have a lot of things to bring in. So we're going to make copies here. Guys, so many questions are being asked today. why she's at school, but the kids did love her. Oh my gosh, they were in love. They offered to babysat. So yeah. Doing what I'm supposed to do, Cassidy.
Find peace in the chaos and love in the battleground.
If you don't know what this is, you're too young. You are too young. If you've never operated one of this, you are too young. Hey, oh my gosh, I haven't seen one of those in ages. I don't even know if it works. I think I have a cassette at home. And so I'm going to bring it because this is in the teacher's lounge to see if it works. So they are thinking I'm crazy for having this baby at work. But she's been so good. She's not disturbing anybody. Right, Grace? So we're heading back to my classroom. And she's going to be a good girl all day. Generally, I start my day with prayer. But I was running a little bit late this morning because this was something extra I had to do this morning in terms of bringing Grace along with me. So we're going to pick out a scripture from here. My niece got me this a while ago, and I'm so thankful for this, as well as my blind bag. I have a student who made me a blind bag as well. So I'm gonna read one from here. I'm gonna pick one from the blind bag that I got from one of my students in my 8th period, Aaliyah. Just to kind of start our day, we're gonna pray. I'm gonna put Grace over there. I'm gonna have her meet the students as they come in. Everybody's looking at me weird. They're asking, are you using that for something in your class? I was like, no, this is personal. She will not be a bother today, so we should be good. During class, I'll have her sit in my little comfy chair over there. I'll show you guys that in a second, but let's get to the scripture and then we're gonna pray. So this is a blind bag that a student made for me. She says, and this was in Christmas, and I want to say this was the best gift that I got in Christmas. Something similar to this one, but it's handmade. So this is personalized just for me, okay? It says, this bag is supposed to make you feel better when you're upset, stressed, angry, disappointed, joyful. There are also Bible verses to read whenever you want. Joyful, and then she has her little emojis on the back here. So this is personalized for me, okay? And this is a wonderful gift. So let me pick one from here. We're gonna pick this one, and we're gonna take a pink one, okay? All right, let's read this one first. Isaiah 41:10. Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee. Yea, I will help thee. Yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of righteousness. And then we're gonna do this one. Your kindness really shows. And then she has an emoji on the back. And then we're gonna pick one from the jar. You can tell what you're picking from the jar because it says, read me when you're happy, thankful, frustrated, anxious, sad, or troubled. Today I'm feeling extremely thankful. The kids got done with their test and I am super excited with the results. So I am thankful. I could pick a yellow one because I'm happy too, but I'm just gonna pick one from the thankful color, which is green. Therefore, since we are receiving a kingdom that cannot be shaken, let us be thankful and so worship God acceptably with reverence and awe. Hebrews 12 and verse 28. Then we're going to invite the presence of the Lord in our midst to just cover our day, cover my students, cover my school, and, you know, just cover family and friends. And then we're just gonna get into the day. The kids are gonna be working in stations today because we're done testing, and some of them, there will be no rush to fix their computers for sure. Some of them have broken the computers, and it's gonna be a hot mess for the last 3 weeks of school. So, well, 3 weeks? It's 12 days actually. So, and we're testing next week for another day. So we're gonna be in rotations, and most of it is gonna be on paper today. So this is where she's going to stay for the day, like while I'm teaching. I'm sure I'll have students who would be willing to assist with her. Xone did such a good job with her hair. Okay. So this is where she'll be today. Okay. Learning big girl things. I don't want this video to be too long, but their children's reaction, priceless. Hopefully she takes a nap. And then if she does, I'm gonna undo this. Each period, someone took turn babysitting her, or they'll share her throughout the period.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.